One day, the light bulb just went off and we said, well, why don't we have our own pitch day where we bring startups, entrepreneurs together and introduce them, and allow them to make their pitch to prospective investors.
What's inspiring the design? It's a beautiful design. I'm trying to understand how you guys have gone about thinking about it.
Talk to us about the ROI for this. It's not about the money for the caregivers, but it's really about the recognition.
Hopefully you can see with our first product what we're capable of, and we're only going to do more.
And we think that that's where healthcare is going, to really empower the individual to do more.
Now we're going to vote on that company. Would you use this product, refer it to friends, family? Absolutely not, or absolutely yes.
What you're seeing on this stage are really investment-worthy companies that are out to enhance the quality of life, and that's the AARP mission, and we thank you.
Talk to everyone you can, everyone that represents the target audience.
Really giving them feedback and encouraging them to prototype, to iterate, to do all of those things.
Build something that will help you learn one thing really quickly.
That right there is an invaluable piece of the design process, for sure.
How do you go from that eureka moment, that great idea in the shower this morning, to seeing your idea on a retail shelf?
This is an opportunity for you to experiment with some of the new ideas, new concepts, new technologies that are coming out in the marketplace.
Play within the guidelines and the rules, but push enough that you can really drive innovation in there.
We can kind of bring that feedback from a buyer perspective to help the entrepreneur refine their messaging.
We're very interested in kind of the 50-plus demographic.
You need to have very thick skin, because you will hear no a lot more than you will hear yes.
We're thinking about, can you get from the 10 to the $50 million? So understanding that as you come speak to us is very important.
I'd say if you're going to be a consumer-focused company, that you ought to focus on delighting customers.
The way you delight consumers today, it's by having that total experience being well thought through.
If I want to have a good meeting, the most important thing is to say, here's everything you want to see.
I think sometimes people have a tendency to think that this demographic is afraid of technology, and that's not what we see in our research.
Well, I think AARP is very progressive, and technology is going to be such a vital part of self-care going forward.
I'm a great believer in the electronic health and fitness products.
There's one thing that does make AARP unique, and that's our members, all 38 million of them.